Hi guys, here's your quick video on what to do this week. We are starting in Unit 2, so I have put the files for the Unit 2, this is the note packet, and then there's another file for the supplemental sheets. Some of these we will use, some of them we won't, we may use all of them, I'm not sure. So you can print those off. If you don't have printing capabilities, then I need for you to email me. Make sure you tell me that you're in the online geometry course, that you don't have printing capabilities, and I will put copies of both of these up at the front desk, at least I'm at West, for you to come pick up if you need to do that. But you're going to need to let me know, and you're going to need to let me know prior to like next Monday or Tuesday that you need that, because all your work is due by Wednesday. So Wednesday due dates on all these assignments. So this week you are going to watch the 2.1 notes, and then there's a 2.1 homework assignment, and then there's this patterns worksheet. So it is the first page in the supplemental sheets. You're going to complete that, and then you're going to input the specific answers at once into the blanks in that assignment. Then you have 2.2a notes and 2.2b notes. Then you're going to have a 2.2 Schoology assignment, and then the conditional converse statement worksheet, which is on the back of that first page that you did. It's this guy. You're going to complete that. You're going to follow directions, and then you're going to upload a video of your work with yourself in that video. Again, just as a reminder, grades are normally updated every Wednesday. Since you guys are taking the test today on Wednesday, all your work is due by midnight tonight, and I will not accept it past midnight tonight. I will update your grades Thursday and or Friday. So be looking out for those by this weekend for updated grades over in PowerSchool with your test grade in there. I cannot open the test to show you what you missed because I have one or two kids that that for whatever reason have to take it the next day. So other than that, I'm trying to make sure that I've covered everything. Make sure that you're staying up to date on all your material. Do not open the folders on Monday and Tuesday before it's due on Wednesday. Make sure that you're opening it and going a little bit day by day. I will have a question and answer session this Friday from 10:45 to 11:15 and the following Tuesday from 10:45 to 11:15. Those are on meet.google.com, and you use the code geometryhelp. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will see you guys later.